Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Stock Surfers. This is a pre-market analysis for Nifty using Elliott Wave Theory. So before we get into today's analysis, this is my disclaimer, read carefully. We'll go to that SGX Nifty. So we are in the fourth wave. So either this is a WXY or it could go like one more X and then one more E. So if it is a WXY means from here it has to go for the fifth wave to complete that whole structure of this fifth wave of this that complete structure from the corona drop. So that is my positional view. So let's we go into that 1 hour chart, and as I said yesterday, if it breaks this, there is a least chance for making to break this low. Otherwise it can do like this kind of, this is the one and another, this is the one. So now whether it come into the five-way structure or it can make a three-way structure also. After that only it can go above the, again it could make a new high for the previous high. So I'm expecting it has to break this high to make a D wave if it is an expanding triangle in the wave 4. Otherwise, as I said yesterday, it could be a diagonal formation in the wave 5 also, but I'm not biased on that. I will just stick to, as of now, this kind of wave formation today. So yesterday if it didn't break this high, there is a lot of chances to break this low, but already it's broken the high and I'm expecting this. But expecting this, I'm not to be in the sell side and I'm not trading that futures also. You know very well if you are following me a past 1 year. So it has a lot of chances to make from here also to make a new high. So then how it will be like that means this could be a three-way structure. I will draw one more. See, this is A, B and C. After this it did already one A, B and C. From here I'm expecting one more A, B and C, but it may or may not. So from here if it breaks this high, otherwise it could make a triangle here. So this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It could do like this. So that means this is the A, this is the B and C is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in the C wave there is a lot of overlapping may occur. So as of now, so a lot of people's come to your question, wave 1 is overlapping wave 4, so you can make it this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or again this could be a W, X, A, B and C. So this could be a triangle and then it can shoot. So today I'm expecting for this one possibility is to make a consolidate here and it can drop like around 15,780 to 790. So this length we may get here if it declined like a irregular flat formation for A or W. This is X or B and we are expecting Y or C wave to break this high. Otherwise if it breaks without breaking this low also, it can consolidate here and again it could make a one more high also. So that is the second possibility. So third possibility is whether no need to break this low or something here, it could continue like a diagonal formation in the wave 5 also accepted. So as of now I'm thinking like this could be a reach at the 15,750 for irregular flat of running flat, or if it's so aggressive, the sellers is aggressive, it could break this low also for expanding triangle, sorry, expanding flat in this formation, and then again it can shoot for this high also. So this is my view, and let's move on to Nifty also. So Nifty today, it may be a gap down as of now what we are seeing in that Singapore Nifty. So yesterday we closed at 15,887 here, so that is the previous resistance zone here, the massive previous resistance zone. And here also I'm looking for this one to break for that expanding triangle. So I think in Nifty, if it does bounce to, yeah, if it is comes to around the 15,780 also, this wavelength may be here, this wavelength may be here. So let's see, and we will be around, I think, yeah, 858. So this could be a gap down open in Nifty today. Otherwise still 1 hour is there, within that it could bounce also. So don't stick to my analysis, I'm just, as of now I'm viewing and I'm just explaining here. Later onwards, within that 4 hour in the 4 15 minutes candle, it could again bounce, and then it could be a gap up open, and again it may down also. But these are all only the possibilities I'm just explaining here, and the market has to validate my view. So thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video of tomorrow. Have a nice profitable day to everybody. Thanks a lot.